Sydney Commercial Kitchens for a rapid response to your inquiry and professional advice from our trained chefs.
Hello, my name is Alice. I'm a regional latte art champion, and today I'll be showing you some latte art videos on Sanremo F18. So, first up, clean the group head by flushing, and we are going to grind the coffee beans into the basket. Now, we are temping the coffee evenly with the temper, putting back into the machine and extract coffee. Before we start drawing some latte art, we are going to steam a nice silky milk. Turn on the steam wand to pull some air out. Turn the jug slightly and we are ready to start. To make a nice froth, we let the air in a bit, and when we have enough froth, we are going to spin the milk to make it silky and shiny. For rosetta, start from the middle, wiggle and move towards the back. Hold your jug towards the top and finish the line. So for the swan, start wiggling from the middle and move towards the back. Finish the wing, draw the neck and draw the head just next to the neck. So for the Little Mermaid, draw 2 tulips inverse. Draw 3 rosettes for the tails. Make sure you turn the cup really fast. And then we draw the arms. Milk drop for the face. Drawing the hair. And lastly, 3 milk drops to make some bubbles. So thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more. Bye!
To find out more about this product, call Sydney Commercial Kitchens on 1300 88 1119 and speak to our trained sales specialists, or click the info link above to see more information. Thanks for watching.